Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen useful gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. The NutriBullet NBY 50100 Baby Complete Food Making System by NutriBullet is an impressive addition to the world of baby food prep. Designed with convenience and quality in mind, this product is sure to meet the needs of both parents and babies alike. In terms of aesthetics, the white, blue, and clear color options of the NutriBullet NBY 50100 Baby Complete Food Making System are both trendy and practical, ensuring it will complement any kitchen decor effortlessly. The compact design, with product dimensions of 5.4D into 5.2W into 11H, makes it easy to store and use, even in kitchens with limited space. One of the standout special features of this product is its portability. The NutriBullet NBY 50100 Baby Complete Food Making System is designed to be easily portable.
The Conworld Dry Food Dispenser is a top-notch product that stands out in the market for its quality and functionality. Made by Conworld, a trusted brand in the industry, this dispenser is designed to make storing and dispensing dry food items a breeze. With a generous capacity of 25 liters, this dispenser can hold up to 26 to 28 pounds of dry food, making it ideal for both personal and commercial use. The use of polypropylene material ensures durability and longevity, while the non-toxic material feature provides peace of mind for all users. The dispenser's sleek design and color make it a stylish addition to any kitchen or storage space. Its user-friendly mechanism allows for easy dispensing of food items, promoting convenience and efficiency in daily tasks. Overall, the Conworld Dry Food Dispenser is a reliable and practical product that caters to the needs of a wide range of users. Whether you are looking to...
The Universal 1080 degrees Swivel Faucet. Extender by HapPup brings convenience and functionality to any kitchen or bathroom. Crafted with high-quality brass material, this product exhibits durability and reliability, ensuring long-term use. The silver finish in 1080-degree rotation adds a touch of elegance to your space. The compact dimensions of 3.93 into 2.36 into 1.57 inches make it suitable for various sink sizes, enhancing accessibility for users of all ages. Installation is effortless, and the included wrench simplifies the process, further eliminating the need for additional tools. Whether you are filling a pot, washing dishes, or helping children reach the water easily, this faucet extender proves to be a versatile and practical addition to your home. Its universal design appeals to a wide audience, accommodating diverse needs with its swivel feature for added flexibility. Overall, the HapPup Universal 1080 degrees Swivel Faucet Extender stands out as a reliable and user-friendly product that combine.
The comfy stainless steel electric kettle is a remarkable addition to any kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel design brings a touch of elegance to your countertop while providing high functionality. The programmable feature sets this kettle apart, allowing users to easily customize their brewing experience. The polished finish not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also makes cleaning effortless. The kettle is designed with convenience in mind, making it user-friendly for everyone. The durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and reliability, giving you peace of mind that this kettle will last for years to come. Whether you're a tea enthusiast, coffee lover, or simply in need of hot water for various purposes, the comfy stainless steel electric kettle is a versatile and efficient choice. Its modern design, programmable feature, and polished finish make it a standout product that caters to the needs of every household.
The VENTE Electric Panini Press sandwich maker is a well-designed kitchen appliance that combines functionality with style. Made with durable stainless steel, this panini press has a striking red color that adds a pop of vibrancy to any kitchen decor. The compact dimensions of 9.25D into 10.5W into 4AH make it ideal for small kitchens or countertop spaces where every inch matters. Despite its size, this panini press packs a powerful punch with a wattage of 1,000 watts, ensuring quick and efficient cooking. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, the VENTE Panini Press is lightweight and easy to move around for versatile use. The included user manual provides clear instructions for hassle-free operation, making it suitable for users of all levels of cooking expertise. The panini press style of this appliance allows you to create delicious grilled sandwiches, paninis wraps, and more with ease. The 120 voltage ensures consistent performance, giving you perfectly cooked meals every time.